Rosie and her family were sleeping. Waking up, feel water and waking up. Right through the house, through the bathroom, through every door, kitchen door, every door. And on a 30 grand bed in there, and a 30 grand dresser. And a 30 grand picture, and a 30 grand rat, not all. The contractor, who want back everything. The contractor, who want back everybody.
Vehicles are being lifted across.
Right now, nobody can cross it. It's only who can understand it. Cross it. Nobody can cross it. It's only fisherman and a fisherwoman. Trust me. Nobody can cross it. It's only who can manage the water. It's only something them come over. Or if we around to help them. Nobody can swim. If you cannot swim, you cannot cross it. Nobody can cross it. If we around to hit them over. Fisherman can cross it, and a fisherwoman cross it. Cannot swim? Trust me.
You're going to send them a
Touch lamb, mash up, blood scream in there. Everybody mash up, every single soul things what happened last night. What caused it? Many water like Elsha, flood out. Waking up, feel water, flood out. Name brand furniture, name brand bed, and name brand car. Everybody flood out.
If you cannot swim, trust me, you're going to send them a sponge.